Hi, I'm Mahtab. You are watching Best Belly Dance Workout, the best YouTube channel with belly dance tutorials, tips and exercises. This is the video number 6 from the series Belly Dance Tutorial for Beginners. Let's start. In this tutorial I will show you soft elements that we can do with our hips. Soft elements in Oriental dance are all waves, figures 8 and circles, and in this tutorial we will work with our hips. So stay in a basic posture that I showed you in the tutorial number 1, feet close together, bended knees, lower abs in, opened chest, relaxed shoulders, relaxed head. And now imagine that you're standing on a big figure 8 written on the floor, and you're standing right in the middle of this figure 8. So now we will write with our hips figure 8 to the back. Start with the twisting your hips, keep your weight on both feet, and now one hip that is pushed to the front, push it diagonal to the front, and now with the half circle to the back. Now the second hip is ready to be pushed diagonal to the front and with the middle circle to the back. Twist, push, go to the back. Push to the back in a half circle. Push to the back in a middle circle. Just imagine that you're standing on a big figure 8 written on the floor. Relax your upper body, but try to keep this move quite isolated. So your head stays in same spot all the time, shoulders in the same spot all the time. Your chest can gently move, but the whole energy stays in your hips. So you're just writing figure 8 with your hips. Back, 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 back. I will show you from this side. Twist, push, and to the back. Push, and to the back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is a hip figure 8 that goes to the back. We have also figure 8 that goes to the front, that goes down, and that goes up, and some variations. So if you would like to learn more soft elements and hard elements, traveling steps, shimmies and positions with the arms, check complete belly dance course available on page bestbellydanceworkout.com. And as you are watching this tutorial on Best Belly Dance Workout, I have a special discount for you. Just write me an email and I will write you back with all the details.